readers and writers. Are you ready to start it up with foundations? Okay, I've got a joke for you. What starts with the letter T is filled with T and ends in T. Give up? A teapot. Get it? It starts with T, teapot, ends with T, and it's filled up with T. Awesome. All right, now let's do our sounds. We'll start with our glued sounds. Okay, repeat after me. I and K, pink ink. U and K, junk unk. O and K, honk onk. A and K, bank ank. O and G, song ong. U and G, long ung. I and G, ring ing. A and G, fang ang. Fantastic. And now our standard sounds. Repeat after me. A, apple, a. B, bat, b. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, WH, whistle, w. TH, thumb. A and K, fang, ang. ING, ring, ing. ONG, song, ong. UNG, long, ung. Now for the ones that end with k. A and K, bank, ink. I and K, pink, ink. O and K, honk, onk. U and K, junk, unk. And the last part of our warm-up today is trick word race. See if you can beat me. Here we go. To. Put. Why, buy, my, try. Where, there. Here. You, your. Said. One. Have. From. Do, does. Were. Are. Or, for. And last one. We, he, she, be, me. Great job, everybody. Okay, we are going to play a little game now. Here's what I want you to do. Get out your student notebook and open to the page that has all of the glued sounds. The NG and the NK glued sounds. So find that page. You've colored them all by now and have it open. Okay, great. Okay, so we're going to focus on the NK page today. What is, so I'm going to write NK up here because all of these have a vowel and then NK. And we have 4 different NK sounds. So I am going to make a little chart like this. And let's start with the first one, ANK. And we are going to see how many words we can come up with that have that sound in it. Okay, so I want you to think. A and K, the picture word that we have is bank. What other words can you think of that rhyme with bank? Shout them out at me. I'll try to listen and write them down. Tank, good. What else? Sank. Thank. Anything else? Yank. Oh, I hope you don't get your hair yanked. Okay. Now let's see in your notebook, what is your next glued sound with NK? Yeah, it's I-N-K. And what are the different sounds? What's our word for I-N-K? Pink, ink, yeah. So what can we come up with that rhymes with pink? Think, stink, wink, blink. Okay, and I'm sure there's more. That's good for now. And remember, words rhyme because they sound the same at the end. Very good. So what is our next glued sound with NK? That's right, it's ONK. So ONK, what's our picture to help us with that one? Honk. Honk, onk. What rhymes with honk? Bonk. Can you think of any others? Let me see if I can come up with any others with onk. I don't think I can. So then let's go and add our last glued sound, which is unk. And what is the picture for unk? U-N-K, junk, unk. So let me write junk. And what can we come up with that rhymes with junk? Bunk. What else? A chunk. That's a good word. Chunk. Anything else? Sunk. Okay. Nice job with all of those rhyming words, my friends. So before we go on to a word of the day, let's practice reading all of these. Let's read the eggs. Here we go. Bank, tank, sink, think, yank. And since we know they all have ink, we only have to focus on changing the first sound. Let's do that for ink. Pink, think, stink, wink, blink. Okay, let's do ONK. Honk, bonk. Those words rhyme. And one more. Unk, junk, bunk, chunk, sunk. Fantastic job on those, my friends. Okay, now our word of the day for today. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, here it comes. It's gonna start with this sound, and it's got a glued sound. Can you read it to me? Link. Link. Yeah, what is a link? What does that mean to you? Sausage links. Do you like to eat those? I do too. That's awesome. What else could link mean? Like to link arms, to join together? Okay. So let's find the vocabulary section and find the letter L. Okay, it's kind of in the middle of the notebook. And find a blank letter L. And up on the top part, we need to write the word link. And of course, we will box it in because it's a glued sound. We always mark the words in our word of the day. Okay, so go ahead and add that into your notebook. And then we need to think about a sentence that we can add as well. So what could a sentence be? We should link our arms. That could be a fun dance. We should link our arms. And we'll put a period at the end. All right, my friends, go ahead and copy down that sentence. Pause the screen right here so you can complete that. Okay, and the last thing we need to do is scoop it. We should link our arms. Scoop those sentences and make it sound smooth. Okay, you can put that away. And we're going to practice some writing. Today we're going to do it on the paper. So most likely your teacher has sent home some paper that looks kind of like this. So you can do some practice in it. So find that paper. If you can't find it, you can do it on any paper or on your dry erase board. But I prefer you try to do the paper today if you have it. All right, so at the top part, it says sounds, and there's 3 spots. So let's write some sounds. The first one I want you to write is ink. Number 1, ink. And for today, I'm going to have you do all of these, and I'll hold up the answers at the very end. Okay, sound number 2, ink. Pause if you need more time. And sound number 3, ung. Okay, nice job. Pause if you need more time, but we're going to go down to the next part, review words. Okay, so review word number 1. I want you to do the word chips. Is there a suffix ending? So what's the base word? Chip. Tap out chip and write it, and then make it say chips. Pause if you need more time. Number 2, shells. Say shells. Is there a suffix? What's the base word? Shell. Tap out shell. Sh, eh, oh. Oh, bonus letter. Say shell, write shell, and then make it say shells. Okay, so let's check what you've done so far. You should have the 3 sounds, ink, ung, and then you should have chips and shells. I want you to underline those base words and circle the suffix and star the bonus letter. So check that you have all of that and fix it up if you're missing anything. And then when you're ready, we'll go down to 2 current words. Okay, the first one from this week is wink. Ink. Write wink and then box in the glued sound. Pause. Come back when you're ready. And the next word is chunk. Unk. Spell it and write it. Chunk. When you're done, underline the digraph and box in the glued sound. Chunk. Okay, with me. Wink and chunk. Pause to fix anything you need to fix up. And then we'll do 2 trick words. Look in your notebooks if you don't know these. Make sure you get them right. Trick word number 1 is put. Put your shoes away. Put. And trick word number 2 is to. Number 2. Put and to. Pause until you're all ready to look at those trick words on mine. Make sure you do them first. All right, check those down. And we'll end with a sentence. Here's your sentence. Ed sank 2 shots to win. Ed sank 2 shots to win. 6 words. Ed sank 2 shots to win. Okay. Make sure you start with an uppercase and have an end mark. Ed, you can tap out. Sank, you can tap out. 2, there's that trick word we know. Shots, the base word is shot. To win. And this is a different kind of to. And then win, you can tap out. So go ahead and work on that sentence. Okay, pause until you're done with your sentence. Okay, if you're back, make sure you have an uppercase for Ed and a period or an exclamation point at the end. Okay, now check what you did for 2 and 2, your 2 trick words. Make sure they're right. When you feel like they're good, you can check them to 9. All right, now all the other words, I want you to tap out what you actually wrote and make sure it says what you want it to say before I show you my answers. Ed shot 2. No, what was it? Uh-oh. Now I lost my word. Where did it go? Ed sank. So that second word should be sank. Ed sank 2 shot to win. There it is.